Tradespeople often have a unique skill set that requires specialized training and reference materials. The following books provide industry-specific information for HVAC/architects, landscapers, welders, and carpenters. The first book is At Your Best as an HVAC/architect. At Your Best as an HVAC/architect is part of a step-by-step series to help tradespeople succeed in their chosen profession. This book helps readers decide if a career as an HVAC/architect is right for them by explaining the essential job functions and walking through the process of building a successful career. The second book is Best Business Practices for Landscapers, Wisdom from Leaders in the Green Industry. One of the best resources for learning a trade is the people who have been doing it for a long time. Best Business Practices for Landscapers is full of useful advice from seasoned professionals who want to teach those just starting out how to grow a successful landscaping business. This guide provides proven strategies for overcoming a variety of challenges, from retaining skilled employees to creating valuable business connections. The third book is At Your Best as a Welder. Another book in the At Your Best series, At Your Best as a Welder, provides a comprehensive guide for welders just starting out in the industry. It explains the details of the profession and walks you through each vital career stage, from apprentice to business owner. If you think a career as a welder could be right for you, this book could give you a leg up. The last book is At Your Best as a Carpenter. At Your Best as a Carpenter is another helpful guide for tradespeople that focuses on career options for carpenters. This book explains everything from how much carpenters can expect to make at different career stages to the resources they need to advance from one stage to the next. There you have the 4 must-read books on skilled trades in 2023. For more of the top-rated books in the construction industry, covering everything from basic construction fundamentals to position-specific tools and resources, visit our blog at bigrents.com/blog.